Well, I'm here at church, and we're having a thunderstorm, and on the way here, it started getting really, really bad, but calmed down somewhat. You can see the sky. Yep, a spring shower. It's May 5th. I'm going to zoom in here. May 5th, 2010. There's cars parked here. And the temperature dropped. It was like 80. See how that tree's blowing with the wind? Oh, there's some more lightning. There's a pretty tulips. The thunder will be coming now. Clouds. And here I am. I'm right here. I'm under the pavilion, so I'm not getting wet. See the pavilion? Yeah, it died down somewhat. You could see the sky. The clouds are moving. See the rain. The birds are singing because they know that they're going to get some worms. See, everything's going to come up there. There's some peonies that are going to come up. Irises are going to come up over there, the flowers. And these two trees, see that tree and that tree over there, they were white crabapple trees, and they, see how fast they change? They only last like 2 weeks, about a week and a half. Now they're green foliage. And that crabapple tree, I was here Sunday night, about 4 days ago, and it was so vivid and beautiful. And now look at it. There's a bird flying. Yep. Maybe we'll get more thunder. I don't know. Well, that's it for today, folks.